Hello guys, good morning, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we're going to hold a review our new collection for today, a lingerie panty from Fine Tools. So without further ado, let's begin. So this is my new collection for today, a lace lingerie panty. So wow, this is thong panty. Look at this. Very see-through. The material is so fine. Wow, nice. This is a red color. Lahat siya lace and see-through. Wow, tingnan natin kung gaano kaganda yung kanyang quality. Nice naman yung quality niya. Maliban na lang ditong may yung mga nakalimutang itrim. Look at this sewing. Wow, ang ganda. Nice quality. And this is fine too. Look at this. Ang ganda po. Maganda talagang quality kapag fine to ang iyong kinukuha. Nice. Yan. Dito lang yun siya. Yung nakalimutan lang tong itrim. Yan. So ito yung ating back. Tong body natin. And this is the crotch. Very tiny ang kanyang crotch. Meron siyang small, tiny din yung kanyang lining, cotton lining, very tiny. And look at this, very see-through. Yung kanyang stretch, very firm po ang pagka-stretch nito na yung hindi siya masakit sa balat. And this is a front view. Wow, look at this. And this is a back view. This is a thong panty. So ito lang yung uugnay sa ating body. Napaka-tiny po nito. Tingnan mo yung tahi nila, oh. Inilabas nila yung tahi na dapat ito yung pinakalabas. Pero ang ginawa nila, para firm yung makinis, firm yung lalapat sa ating balat. Kaya inilabas nila yung tahi. It's okay. Look at this, oh. Ang ganda ng quality niya, oh. Tingnan mo naman. Yung material, the lace itself, wow, ang ganda. And the stretch is so firm. Hindi siya yung matigas, sticky. And this is medium size from Fine Tools underwear. So wala siyang made in China, wala siyang yung tingnan natin yung pinaka niya. Walang nakalagay kung ano yung material niya. Basta ito ay lace and there is a cotton, small amount of cotton para dito sa crotch. So yung sa mga may diferensya sa ating mga body, yung may mga almo, hindi na naman pwede. But doon sa mga may hilig na bet nilang magtong panty, ayan, ito. Recommended ko sa inyo to. Napakaganda po nito. So sexy and see-through. So that is for today for our sexy see-through lingerie thong panty. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.